Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make carrot juice for extreme hair growth, hair thickness and scalp health. So you will be needing 3 medium-sized carrots. You can also use 2 carrots. I will be using 3 carrots because I want to make enough juice for my hair. So my carrots are already clean. I washed and peeled off. So what I'm going to do now, I'm gonna cut them into small pieces. You can also decide to grate your carrots using a grater, but I don't want to go all that process. I'm just gonna cut them so that I simplify and I move faster. Carrots are a great source of antioxidants which are helpful for the scalp. If you have dandruff and you have flaky scalp and your hair is dry, then introducing carrot juice to your hair is going to moisturize your hair to clean your scalp and make it free from dandruff. Carrot is really amazing for making your hair to grow thick. As I mentioned earlier, carrot will help to thicken your hair and make it grow stronger. So once I'm done cutting them into small pieces, I went ahead and added them to a blender, and as you can see now I'm blending to make juice. I also added some water so that I can get enough juice for my hair. You need to add some water so that you extract juice. So once I'm done blending, I'm going to strain out the carrot juice. You can go ahead and grab anything that you have to strain out. Use a piece of cloth or whatever you have. So this is how the carrot juice is looking like. You need to make sure that it is free from chunks. So that's why I recommend using something with tiny holes. So I'm going to squeeze out everything and make sure that all the juice is out. I hope you guys are still watching this video up to this point and you are enjoying it. And if so, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed and join the family. So once I'm done straining out, this is how our carrot juice is looking like. Just see how beautiful it is looking. The carrot juice is really amazing. Just make it and use on your hair. If you've never tried it, then your hair is going to thank you later. Once I'm done straining out, now I'm going to transfer to an applicator bottle so I can be able to spray to my hair. Use an applicator bottle to spray this carrot juice. Now into the application, I'm going to apply the carrot juice to each section before I unravel each twist. Once I'm done saturating the hair, now I'm going to unravel each twist and apply the treatment, making sure that each section is well hydrated with the treatment. Using this treatment on your scalp and hair at least 2 to 3 times a week or daily is going to change your hair in terms of thickness, scalp health, or the dandruff you have. If you have dandruff and flaky scalp, massaging this carrot juice to your scalp is going to clean your scalp and make it free from dandruff. So take time to massage it to your scalp and to your problem areas. This treatment can be used as a leave-in. You can apply it to your hair and then follow up with your favorite moisturizer to seal in moisture. Carrot juice is not as drying as other treatments like cloves or rosemary, but it is essential to follow up with your favorite moisturizer. As you can see now, I'm applying my leave-in cream. So once I'm done with that section, I always like to twist it back. I proceed to the other sections of my hair and until I complete all of them. This carrot juice is essential, especially if you suffer from hair dryness. Your hair is brittle and dry, then you need to use carrot juice. The second way you can use carrot juice is by using it as a rinse out. Apply to your hair and scalp, massage and follow up by using a shower cap or a plastic bag. Wait for about 30 minutes to 1 hour and then go ahead and rinse it out. Using carrot juice as a leave out is going to soften your hair, is going to detangle and loosen all the knots and tangles, because once you cover your hair it is going to soften all the knots and tangles, and you are going to find the detangling process simple. So one way I like to use this, I use both methods, but I like to use it mostly as a rinse out or as a pre-poo. If I don't have oil, then I can make carrot juice and then I cover my hair with a shower cap, and then it's going to soften my hair, and then I go ahead and rinse out with lukewarm water or conditioner. Carrot juice is really amazing. You need to make it and apply it. If you've never used it, then give it a try. If you suffer from hair thinning, you want to increase hair thickness and to soften your hair naturally and to clean your scalp, removing all the dandruff you have and flakiness, then you need to make carrot juice and give it a try. It really works wonders. I have tried it several times. This is not the first time I'm using it. So if you've never tried it, just make it and use, and you're going to see changes. So we are coming to the end of this video. Thank you so much guys for watching and for your time. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe, and also turn on the bell notification so you will always be notified every time I upload a new video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.